Cynthia's heart sank. Mid-presentation, she realized the whispers weren't about her ideas. They were about her breath. Embarrassed, she rushed off, vowing never to speak in public again. That moment was a turning point. Cynthia was tired of quick fixes. Mints, mouthwash, nothing worked long-term. Determined to solve it for good, she dug deeper and learned her bad breath was caused by more than just food. Bacteria on her tongue and dehydration were the real culprits. She switched up her routine, brushing twice daily, flossing, and most importantly, using a tongue scraper. Cynthia also cut back on coffee and added more water, fresh herbs, and probiotics to her diet. But the real game changer? A dental visit revealed gum issues that were causing lingering bad breath. After a deep cleaning, Cynthia's confidence was restored. Now, Cynthia speaks with confidence every day. Her secret? Consistency. Fixing bad breath isn't magic, it's just sticking to the right habits.